al desiderio per te che hai messo questo cuore sotto assedio. Oh, non resisto più. Oh, non resisto più e non so perché. Io mi sento bene quando sto con te, dentro e fuori. Sono tutta tua quando tu mi sfiori. Prendimi e non ti fermare mai, baciami così come tu sai. Ti ho aspettato tanto, ma tanto, 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 e brucio dalla voglia di te. Prendimi e non ti fermare mai, stringimi così come tu sai, e poi baciami ancora, 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 e dimmi che sei pazzo di me. Brucio senza rimedio, a fuoco lento fra le fiamme di un incendio. Oh, non resisto più. Oh, non resisto più. Mi dissederò questa notte sospirata in cui ti avrò. Fammi bere fino a spegnermi quel fuoco nelle vene. Prendimi e non ti fermare mai, baciami così come tu sai. Ti ho aspettato tanto, ma tanto, 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 e brucio dalla voglia di te. Prendimi e non ti fermare mai, stringimi così come tu sai, e poi baciami ancora, 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 e dimmi che sei pazzo di me. E dimmi che sei pazzo di me.
This dance is called Fire of Love Fuoco D'Amore. It's 160 counts, one more, beginner to improve level line dance. There are total of 9 parts. Each part has 8 counts. Okay, let's first walk through part 1 to part 4. Part 1. Side rock behind side cross. Side rock behind side cross. Part 2. Forward recover. Coaster step. Forward recover. Coaster step. Part 3. Side together half right facing 6. Left side rock. Left sailor. Right rock back recover. Part 4. Repeat. Side together half right facing 12. Side rock. Left sailor. Back rock. to count part 1 to part 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. There are 32 counts from part 1 to part 4. Then you repeat part 1 to part 4, totaling 64 counts. Then you'll continue to do part 5 to part 8. Part 5, right foot. Forward lock step. Left, forward lock step. Rock forward, recover. Triple half turn right to face 6 o'clock. Part 6, left, forward lock step. Right, forward lock step. Left foot, forward rock, recover. Triple step, half turn left, facing 12. Part 7, 1/8 left turn, facing 10:30. Right foot, forward rock, recover, rock back, recover. Forward rock, recover. Quarter right turn, stepping right to right side, facing 1:30. Left, rock forward, recover, rock back, recover. Rock forward, recover, 1/8 left, stepping left to left, facing 12. Section 8, right, forward lock step, left, forward lock step, forward rock, recover. Triple steps, half turn right, facing 6. Triple step, half turn right, facing 12. Right, rock back, recover. Let's do the counts for part 5 to part 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 9 and 10, 11, 12. You may have noticed that there is 36 counts from part 5 to part 8. Then you repeat these 36 counts, totaling 72 counts. Then continue with part 9 and part 10. Part 9. Forward mumble, back mumble, right side mumble, left side mumble. Part 10. Shuffle forward, forward rock, recover. Shuffle back, rock back, recover. The counts for part 9 and part 10. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and whole dance has 160 counts. And then you repeat the dance again. Enjoy the dance and have fun.